NoMoreNoobie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube Shorts video from your PS4 Sharefactory video. The first important thing to say is that Sharefactory doesn't have the capability to make a Shorts video, but we can make the video on Sharefactory and then convert it using free software on a PC or a mobile phone. This tutorial will show you how to make YouTube Shorts from your Sharefactory video purely using your mobile phone. So if you have a PC and a memory stick and you prefer to use those, then do check out my other tutorial on that, and the link will be in the description for you to use. But if you've only got a mobile phone, then this is the video for you. So let's get straight into it. So in order for YouTube to recognize your video as a Shorts video, it does need to be 60 seconds or less. I would suggest aiming for 58 seconds or less. It should be square or vertical aspect ratio, 9:16 vertical aspect ratio, and it should have hashtag Shorts in the title, and I'm putting it in the description as well. For more Sharefactory tutorials, PS4 videos and YouTube channel improvement help, then please do subscribe and support the channel by using support or creator code NoMoreNoobie in the item shop. Thank you, it means a lot. So to start off, you need to make your video in Sharefactory, ensure it is 60 seconds or less, export it and choose YouTube as you usually would. Choose Share. Only thing to do in this section here is to change the privacy to unlisted, as we don't want it to go public yet. Click Share and that will upload it to YouTube, but it won't be live yet. So this means that we have moved the video to YouTube, so we can now edit it into a YouTube Shorts video. Go to YouTube Studio on your mobile phone, find the video just uploaded to YouTube, click on it, look at the top of the screen and press on the share button, and then click on copy to clipboard. This will copy the video address to your phone. Go to your phone web browser and search for Kapwing. Kapwing is the video editor we're going to use to turn your video into YouTube Shorts format. Kapwing is free to use, and they do have paid plans if you are interested for access to more features. I use the free plan, which has no watermarks, but do note that there are limitations on the free plan here, so you just need to create an account and get started. When your account is set up, go to my workplace and you can see I've got previous projects here that I've used before, but we need to click on new content to start a new project. Here we have a few options to add our video, but as we have copied our video address earlier in the YouTube Studio, we just need to paste it into this white bar here. Hold your finger in the bar for a couple of seconds and it will give you the option to paste, and then just click on paste. Your video will load onto Kapwing and then you can start editing your video into a YouTube Shorts video. The editing is very straightforward, but the very basics are that the video sits along the bottom of the screen with the play button just above it on the left hand side. Next to that is the split button, which you can use to split your video into different clips. And then you've got the timer next to that, and then slightly further to the right you've got the plus and minus button to zoom into the video at the bottom so you can make more accurate splits if you need to. Above that is where you have the preview of your video, and then above that, the main screen there where it says edit video is a button where you can click on that to get more options. But if you click outside of the actual video preview, then it changes that button, so it says edit video when you click on the video, and if you click outside it says edit background. So you've got two different options there to do different things, and it gives you options when you click on that button each time. So I clicked on edit video and it gives us this option here, and where it says output size, then we have to change this to 9:16. That gives us the vertical output here, and then we have to remember that the whole video is still playing, but we're only being shown this area that is the mobile phone sort of shaped size. So what we need to do is split our video up into different sections. So we're just going to play the video, and as and when we find that we get to the point where the action isn't on the visible screen here, we can just push the split button once, then press play again, and then we can split it at the next point where we think we need to. And what we're doing here is just trying to split up into the whole video into different clips so that we can then see where we can move the video around so that we can always capture the action. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see a bit better. You see this yellow box around the video clip? That's a new clip that we've created, and we can change the yellow box each time by clicking on each one, and that's going to show what we're actually editing at that point. Okay, so we're back on here, And then what we're going to do is if we click on the video up here, and then we can click on the button where it says edit background, and where you see it says change to edit video. So if we click on edit video now, that will give us an option to crop the video so that we can move it around so that we can always see the action where we want it to be. So click on crop at the top here, and then you can see this is exactly what we're just looking at, but it shows the background of the rest of the video. So you can move it from left to right so that you can crop it and show exactly what is in this vertical screen there. So we've got it on 9:16 as well, which is great. And then we literally just click that confirm, and we do that for each clip to make sure that the action is always being shown as we want it to, and we just need to repeat that for the whole of the video. You do have other options as well. You can change, you can zoom in and out of the video, you can add corners and do loads of different things, and it's quite self-explanatory, so you don't need to worry too much about it. Just you can work it out. You've got options for adding text and stickers and all sorts of things. So if you wanted to add text, there's a bar down the left hand side or a column. You can just click on that and then add text, and then just complete it to say the text you want it to be, and then you can change the font, color, outline, background, no background, opacity, lots of different things. You just play about with it to get it how you want it. Do try and make sure that it's clear, because obviously it's on a mobile phone, so you do need to make sure the background isn't the same as the actual text color, for example. So you play about with that, and we do need to show you how to upload it to YouTube, but we'll just show you a couple more things. You can add shapes as well, which is under elements. You could find, like I'm going to try and find an arrow to have here, and you can add all sorts of animations, which really does make your coupling quite good in that way as well. So I've just chosen this add arrow, for example, and I use this for the video that I uploaded, the shorts video on how to go full screen on Sharefactory. So we have the arrow in place. Now, one thing you can do with your elements, or your arrows and text, is you can click on the item you want to change, and you can change the timings of it. So click on edit image at the top, and you see it says timing, and you can change the start time and end time, which is really handy to know when you're making your videos. And then you can just change it to how you want it, and then click done. And then when you're finished and you're happy, then click on the arrow next to export video, and you can export as MP4. So click on export as MP4, and then it will export it exactly as you've asked for. It only takes a few seconds. So that's been downloaded now onto your phone. So all you need to do is go onto the main part of your phone where you can search on your phone and start typing downloads, and then it should come up with an automatic option, but if not, just confirm, and then click on downloads, and there is our download sat on our phone there. So you can click on that video and it will play for you. If you look on the top right hand corner, there's 3 dots. Click on that and click on share. And then when you click on share, it comes up with options, which is YouTube. And then you click on YouTube, and then that will share it directly to your YouTube channel if you have signed into it. And there you go. There is our shorts video already set on there, and you are ready to add the description and all the details for your video. Remember to put hashtag shorts in the title, and you're good to go. And if you have found this useful, please do hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. There's lots more videos to come, and I hope this has helped you find a way of uploading YouTube shorts from your PlayStation on Sharefactory using your mobile phone onto YouTube. So thanks very much for watching. Any questions, please ask, and thanks and bye.